Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Anthropology for UPSC by Simplified IAS Academy. Today I bring to you an important announcement related to our upcoming test series. So without wasting time, let's begin. As many of you know that we are going to start the Enrich series from 4th of November 2024, and this series is a sectional answer writing program where you are going to get the 9 sectional tests. Along with that, there will be 2 full length tests, value addition material, which is very important for any of the test series program and for your preparation, and of course the mentorship provided to you by me. We will discuss about all of these in detail in the later part of this video, but before, let me tell you what is the important announcement related to this series. Many of you reached out to me telling me that this is the festive season and you wanted to enroll for the program, but somehow, due to some or the other reason, you are not being able to do so. And we hear you, which is why we have extended the discount which was valid till 31st October till 4th of November 2024. Just not this, but earlier this program had 50 seats, and currently as I record this video, we already got 46 enrollments into this, and we are left with 4 more seats. But as I said, many of you still wanted to enroll, and to cater to those people, we are extending the number of seats from 50 to 60 seats, which means if you are really willing to enroll for the program, you can avail the discount and get into it till 4th of November. But mind it, all of this is applicable as the number of seats remains. So if you really wanted to enroll, do it maybe just after Diwali to avoid missing out on anything. This is about the important announcement, and if you have any doubts or anything related to it, you can write to us on the email ID and the WhatsApp which will be provided to you. And for any other details regarding the schedule and the other things, you can check the link in the description. It will help you understand that as well. Now let's deep dive into each component of this program. But before that, let me first tell you who should enroll for this program. The people who have done at least the revision once for the paper 1 and paper 2 should definitely consider enrolling into this program. And if some of you who have appeared for the mains 2024 and seeing some scope of improvement, they can definitely enroll into this program. Apart from this, even if you are preparing for 2026 but feel that you have done a good amount of your preparation, then go for it. You are going to get benefited out of this because this program will help you complete your entire syllabus twice by January 2025 so that you can start your prelims preparation just after that without worrying much about your optional subject. Now let me take you through the component in detail. So the most important of them is your 9 sectional test. So this 9 sectional or the mini test that you can say is given to you so that you are able to simulate the actual mains examination by So let me take you through the component of the program. So firstly, you have this 9 sectional test or the mini test. And for all of these sectional tests and going forward to the full length test also, you are going to get a model approach on the very next day of your test, which is going to help you in value addition and of course revising it later as well. Now let me tell you how this 9 sectional is going to help you and how they are different from your daily answer writing test. So when we say 9 sectional test, which is in the form of a mini test, so this will help you simulate your actual mains examination because for this test you are going to write more number of questions which will help you in train your mind in thinking faster as well as improving your writing speed. Because trust me, in the actual mains examination, the synchronization of your hand and your brain is the most important thing. And this sectional test is going to help you over there. And as I said, you are going to get the model approaches, which will help you again for the revision. And of course, for all of these sectional and the full length test, you are going to get your copies evaluated so that you can get to know where you are actually lying. Apart from this, you have this two full length test. So this full length test will of course based upon the UPSC pattern, and this you need to write in the 3 hours of time so that you are able to see yourself where you are lying. And we will also provide you with the ranking for this full length test, like where you are actually lying with respect to your other competitors. Then you have this model approach for your sectional and for your FLTs as well, which I already mentioned that is going to help you with your revision part also. Then you have your personalized mentorship by me, where you can just request a call from me, and we can discuss about your strategy, any of the problems that you're facing, the conceptual clarity that you need, anything related to the exam or in general as well. Then the most and the thing which every test series should provide you is the value addition and the crisp note for revision. So this test series is not just about giving you some test where you are going to write and get evaluated. Apart from that, we will also help you in making a note for yourself so that when you are revising for the actual examination, you need not to go here and there, and you already have that content which is needed. Because most of the time we have seen like we all write the same kind of an answer, but what makes the difference is the value added part of it. And I'm sure many of you feel very puzzled like where to find all of these value addition material, where to find the scholar reference, the example, the case studies. So we have taken care of all of these things. And once you revise this crisp note and the value addition material that we are going to provide you along with the standard notes that you have, this is definitely going to fetch you good marks. Now, the PYQ discussion session, which is the latest addition in our test series, it's about discussing the previous year question from paper 1 and paper 2 to help you understand what is the demand of UPSC, and alongside we'll also discuss about the answer writing approaches and all the other things. You can bring up your question for the discussion and we will be happy to discuss that as well. And unlimited doubt resolution, of course. So while your preparation, when you are revising, when you're writing, you might come across any of the doubt related to the concept or any of the thing. So you need not to wait for the mentorship call. You can just write an email to us straightforward and we will reply to you over there as well. So this is about the overall program structure, and I'm sure you must have thought about it like you should at least do the revision from November till January at least twice for before jumping into the prelims preparation. So this program is going to help you over there. And also I would like to mention like this is the only sectional test that we are going to launch. There will be no other sectional test batches going forward for people who are targeting mains 2025. So if you are willing to enroll for the sectional, please do so in this program also. And before making the enrollment, just make sure that you have at least done some portion of your paper 1 and paper 2 so that you are not a complete beginner and can make the best out of this program. So that's it from my side, and if you still have any questions or doubt, you can definitely write to us or send us on WhatsApp. We'll reply to you over there as well. With this, happy Diwali and thank you so much.